Welcome back, innovators. I'm Raheem Kareem, and in this episode of Design Pro, we're moving beyond static designs into the world of interactivity. We're going to create prototypes and map out user flows, making sure your designs not only look good, but work the way they should. And we'll be using InVision and Miro to get the job done. InVision and Miro are a powerful duo. InVision lets you turn your designs into clickable, interactive prototypes, so you can test out the functionality before diving into development. In Miro, it's your brainstorming whiteboard. It helps you map out every step of the user journey, ensuring your users can navigate smoothly from point A to point B. All right, let's dive in and see how both tools come together to help you test and refine your design.
All right, let's kick things off with the tool that's been a big name in design for years, InVision. It's an adjacent relative to Figma, but really shines when it comes to prototyping. With its easy-to-use interface, InVision helps you take static designs and turn them into clickable, interactive mockups. Perfect for showcasing your product before a single line of code is written. Check this out. Here's a quick demo where I'm turning a simple wireframe provided by InVision into a design for a mobile app. Super easy, right? That's one of the reasons InVision has been a go-to for years. Simple, efficient, and user-friendly. But here's a bit of product lifecycle news. Sadly, InVision's freehand tool is sunsetting at the end of this year, in December of 2024. Yep, it's all a part of the product evolution, folks. Things have to transform, right? Who remembers Wunderlist, one of the best to-do apps of all time, before it got acquired by Microsoft and transformed into Microsoft To Do? Ah, the memories. Speaking of transformation, let's talk Miro, the tool that acquired Freehand and took it to the next level. Miro is a powerhouse when it comes to collaboration and creating seamless user flows. Whether you're mapping out a product roadmap, brainstorming, or building team workflows, Miro's got your back. Let's put it to the test. I'm going to create a fake product roadmap for that RKB mobile app. That build flowchart for light learning management system setup for user subscriptions. We want to look at content delivery networks to house our learning content, whether that be GCP, Azure, or AWS, and content captions. Another thing we want to think about is the data management strategy, and as well as implementing a go-to-market playbook. Now it's time for deployment. Let's be sure to set up a CI/CD pipeline, and we also want to be sure that the product is live within the appropriate stores. And finally, we'll wrap it up by implementing our go-to-market strategy. At a quick glance, see how easy it is to plan in Miro? From idea to launch, everything is in one place, ready for action.
All right, now that you've seen how easy it is to create interactive prototypes in InVision, you can test out user interactions before you ever write a line of code. Whether it's testing buttons, links, or transitions, InVision gives you the tools to make sure everything works as intended. And with Miro, you can visually map out the entire user journey. Think of it like your app's roadmap. You can collaborate with your team, move elements around, and see the whole experience at a glance. No more guesswork, just smooth, innovative navigation. By using InVision and Miro together, you're not only testing the design, but you're also refining the user experience from start to finish. This means fewer headaches down the road and happier users when your product launches. That's a wrap for today's episode. Prototyping and mapping user flows are crucial steps in building a product your users will love. Next time, we're going to dive into design systems with Storybook and Zeppelin, because keeping your design consistent across every screen is just as important as getting it right the first time. See you then.